Hi there, guys. Welcome to my Going Paperless with AI series.
If you are currently drowning in paperwork, then this video is definitely for you. I am going to show you how to replace your paper-based processes with a powerful digital one using AI that is going to save you time and money and actually save the environment.
And if you stay to the end of this video, I have a very special offer for you that you won't want to miss out on. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very first safety inspection form in under 5 minutes that includes a PDF output. And in case you didn't know, Appenate has released an AI form generator that allows you to go from simple ideas to functional forms in just seconds.
Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to go to the AI form generator and specify the form that you want to create. I'd recommend being very specific so that our AI form generator can build the form as closely to your requirements as possible. In this case, I'm looking to create a safety inspection form specifically for the construction industry, where it has the inspector's name, the date and time of the inspection, the area being inspected, the type of inspection, and I'm going to ask it to search for the commonly inspected areas. And now I want it to search for commonly asked questions on the safety inspection form that will be the hazard, as well as for the inspector to comment on the status or condition of the hazard, give any general comments, and what action is required. Lastly, I'm going to ask it to capture the inspector's signature and for the theme to be orange and blue. Now remember, you can also ask it to add a photo field too if you require. Now let's generate the form and see what AI comes up with. So far, I'm happy with this form and all the fields that are requested are here. And now let's go have a look at what this form would look like within the app. As you can see, it is spread out nicely and is easy to use. I'm just quickly going to fill this out for you just so that you can see what it looks like. And lastly, this is the PDF output that was generated from our form submission. We also do allow you to do a custom template if you wish. And as promised, here's the special offer that I have for you. If you comment $45 for 45, you'll not only get access to the safety inspection form, but you'll also get unlimited access to our apps for our premium users for 45 days. That's just $1 a day.
Please follow our channel for more videos in my Going Paperless series.